How to delete a created profile on Facebook. Accidentally created an extra profile on Facebook or just want to clean things up? Let's delete that profile in just a few steps. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and log in if you haven't already. Tap the three lines at the top right. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Under the Account Center, tap Profiles. You will see all profiles linked to your account. Tap the one you want to delete. Scroll to the bottom and tap Delete Profile, or in some versions, you might see Profile Settings and Delete Profile. Facebook will give you some final info. Read it if you want, then tap Continue. Confirm by tapping Delete Profile and boom, it's gone. Clean and simple. Pro tip: if the profile isn't deleting, you might be trying to delete your main profile. In that case, you will have to deactivate or delete your whole account. And that's it. Extra profile gone like magic. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.